There are no secrets to getting rich overnight, but there are some proven systems that can help you get rich. The reality is that everyone has the same opportunity to be rich. Some may face greater obstacles than others, but the opportunity is there for everyone to seize. Have you ever wondered why some people are rich and others are not? Welcome to our channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Nice to see you again. And if you're new here, please show us support by giving us a like and subscribing to our channel. We highly appreciate that. Thank you so much. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Mostly it's because of their lifestyle and mindset. Many people spend their entire lives lamenting the situation in which they were born, while others strive every day to change it, and that differentiates us. There are still a lot of people that do nothing because they feel that one day their time will come and believe that wealthiness is a matter of divine luck. But having money or financial freedom is more a matter of habits and effort than luck or easy way. From living beyond your means to having a single source of income, I bring you 5 signs that say you will never be rich. Number 1. Have a full-time job and work. In this world, there is nothing completely true. Everyone has the potential to make their future as they wish, and in reality, the limit is the very head of each person. But throughout my brief life and from a few books I read, I have discovered that most affluent millionaires have one thing in common: none are employed. Some reasons are: an entrepreneur spends many hours on average analyzing and structuring their investments. Entrepreneurs hardly take their financial situation for granted. They are always on the lookout for unfavorable changes, and this causes them to dedicate time and effort to take care of their resources. They have to take care of their own financial situation as no one else will do it for them. Being an entrepreneur means taking more responsibilities and risks, get out of their comfort zone, and create additional income sources. In school, we learn that hard work will get us ahead in life, but that's only half of the story, says Rick Edelman, a top financial advisor. When you are an employee, you are used to a salary. If that salary gives you to live comfortably, take vacations, and pay your bills, then you're hardly looking for something else. However, almost no one becomes a millionaire by saving from an employee's salary. So one reason you won't be a millionaire is that you only have one job. Number 2. Put too much emphasis on saving. If in January you put $1,000 in a bank account that generates 1% annual interest, you will currently have $10 earned. However, if in January 2020 you had bought 3 shares of Netflix for a value of $324, currently you would have $580 earned. I'm not telling you that you should invest all your money in stocks. That requires analysis and knowing the market. What I mean by this is that there are better ways to use your money than leaving it in a saved account. Saving in a bank account monthly will not make you a millionaire. Invest wisely and use those savings to create additional forms of income will. There are many and even safe ways in which you can use your savings today that can help you generate more income tomorrow. For example, one of the investments that I'm currently doing is buying courses. Knowledge is one of the best ways you can invest your money. Number 3. Believe in easy money. There are many businesses that promise you financial freedom. Today, there are still many people who believe that they will get rich with them, but they do not really work to make you rich. According to David Olarion, some of them are gambling. In gambling, the system makes people lose money. and also to make someone feel lucky. Gamblers lose much more than they gain over the long term. No product network marketing. A network marketing without a product will eventually turn into a form of Ponzi scheme. If you're lucky enough to be one of the first to enter, you will get money fast, but it eventually becomes an unsustainable business. And if you have your money or your friends there at the moment, you will lose everything. Lending money casually. Family members will not take your service seriously. If your family doesn't want to pay you, you will not put them in jail, no matter how professional and legal you want to do business with a member of your family. It will always be something that will look casual. Playing with cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency is not a way to make money. It is a way to keep the money, like to have your money in another currency. You can win big quick and lose big even faster. If you don't know what you're doing, you will be full of regret later. If you want to earn a lot of money, work, invest your time and money, learn about what really works, and be consistent. Number 4, never learn anything about money. If you don't learn how to drive properly, you will never get a license. It is not safe for someone who doesn't know basic rules to ride a vehicle. The same goes for money. If you don't know how money works, you will never make money work for you. I know people who do not know how taxes work or why companies reduce certain amounts of their salary. I always wonder they know that they are not being scammed if they do not care about what the companies are using their money on. Financial education enables people to better visualize their opportunities, make smart decisions, know where to get help, and take action to resolve conflicts. Number 5, don't have goals for your money. Having goals allowed me to buy my first car at age 19, my first house at age 22, and travel 2 times a year every year. Every year I make a budget and excel and what I want to achieve with that money. That allows me to work with more passion for achieving it and don't spend my money on unnecessary things. The best way to save and increase your income is to have a goal for that money. If you don't know what you want to have money for, then it would not be logical for you to save. It wouldn't make sense to save it. So do you want to buy a house, get a new car, travel the world? Those are all valid goals that you can write in order to save for it. Most of people who do not have a goal with their savings do not have a single dollar in the account. They live from day to day and enjoy the now. And if you don't know what your financial goals are, you can start working to accomplish them. The number one reason most people don't get what they want is that they don't know what they want. T. Harv Eker in his book. The first thing you must do if you want to be rich one day is to know the reason why you want to be rich. That was today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something interesting. Make sure to comment down below if you have any of these traits and what of these traits describes you the best. To show us support, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. And I will see you in the next video.